If you're sending the same resume to every job, that's probably why you're not hearing back. Tailoring your resume to each job description is one of the highest impact things you can do. And in Huntr, it takes about 5 minutes. I'll show you exactly how. Here's what most people don't know. Recruiters don't manually read every application. They search their ATS using keywords. If your resume doesn't use the same language as the job description, it doesn't show up in their results at all. It's not that you get rejected, you just never get seen. Tailoring fixes that. Start by saving the job you want to apply to. Huntr's Chrome extension pulls everything in: the job title, company, description, and more. Even if the posting gets taken down later, you still have access to it. Next, you're going to create a tailored resume. From your dashboard, go to the resume builder and create a tailored resume for the specific job. This is separate from your base resume. Your base resume is the foundation, and the tailored version is what you send to this particular role. You'll see a job match score right away. This isn't just a keyword scan. Huntr breaks down your job score into 3 things: keywords, qualifications, and responsibilities. Keywords are the surface-level terms that ATS looks for. Qualifications are the requirements they've listed, and responsibilities are the actual day-to-day duties of that role. Most people only think about keywords. Missing qualifications and responsibilities is where a lot of resumes fall short without anyone realizing it. Anywhere you're not matching well, Huntr gives you suggestions. Rewritten bullet points, flagged keywords, qualifications you haven't addressed. Go through them. Keep what sounds like you, edit what doesn't. You're always in control of what ends up on the page. As you accept changes, your score climbs. But what you're really doing is making sure your experience is framed in the language that recruiter is actually looking for. Every job gets its own tailored version. Link below to get started for free.